Hello, it's Monday morning and it's our unit of inquiry this morning. Do you see what I have here? Oh, yes, you can see, right? So you can see. Can you hear them? Maybe. Can you smell them? Not really. Can you taste them? Can you touch them? Yes. So you can see, hear, smell, taste, touch. See, hear, smell, taste, touch. See, hear, smell, taste, touch. I use them every day. So we have our five senses. Last week, you've been exploring your sense of sight. That's right, because you've been watching what happened to the picture that you draw on the plate and what happened when you put water in it, right? And also you did a a tornado experiment, right? It was so much fun. Yes, can you see my tornado? And I hope you still have your tornado with you. All right, so today you are going to watch another sense for your unit of inquiry. Now you have to guess what is the sense that you are going to be exploring this week when I show you this. Okay, can you tell me what are this? Yeah, I have a pot, I have my clothes hangers, I have some jars, I have a jar with bean inside, look at that, and I have my chopstick and my spoon and my ladle and a bowl. What do I have here? What am I going to do with this one? What can I do with them? Am I going to do some cooking? Yes, I can use them here for cooking. But what's that? What sense did you use? Here, did you hear that? Look. Oh, I use. Is it the same sound as this? Is it the same sound? No. One is louder. That's right. And the other one is kind of soft. Very good. What about this? Can you hear this? Oh, that's also a different sound. And how about this? Shake, 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 shake. That's a shaking sound. And this one is clunk, 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 tick, 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 tick. This sound. How about this one? Can you hear? Oh, that's another sound of the sticks. How about this one? Are you ready? Oh. Did you hear that? Oh, how about this? Today, you are going to be using your sense of hearing, your ears, your sense of hearing, and of course, you're still going to use your sense of sight. And then you are also going to use your sense of touch using your different objects that you can find at home. So you are going to use your sense of sight to look for things that can make sounds. So look around your kitchen, look around your bedroom, maybe look around your playroom. Maybe there are some things that you can find using your sense of sight that can make a sound. Okay, so you can touch it and then you can make a sound of it by finding them first. That will be your activity for your unit of inquiry. And once you found things that you think can make sound, you can tell what sound did it make. Did it make a loud sound, a soft sound, a bang 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 sound, a screech sound? I don't know. Please don't forget to take a video of you finding those things and maybe playing with different sounds. Okay, I can't wait to see it. Listen to this again. Which one is louder? My pot or my bowl? I think my bowl. Yeah, how about this? Scratch, 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 crack, 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 crack. How about this? How about this? Yeah, so enjoy finding things around your house. Things that make sound, okay? Have fun.